Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to make this video to go along with this email that you are getting so that I know it makes sense because it is pretty important. So last week we heard from Miss Coda, who is the superintendent of FNESU, that the last student day of this year is Wednesday, June 10th. So for my class, what that looks like is this week is week 6. Your task posted today, Tuesday morning. It's due on Friday, May 29th. It's a reflection on the event you did last week before the long weekend. Week 7, which is Monday, June 1st through Friday, June 5th, will also look the same. Your task is going to post on Monday, June 1st. It's your final event research. Week 8, which would have been a full week but is now Monday, June 8th through Wednesday, June 10th, is going to look a little bit different. In this first hash mark, if you are caught up and have completed everything for distance learning, so you've done tasks 1 through 7, and they're all marked as complete, then you're all set. You don't have anything you need to do for social studies. But if you are missing work from distance learning, so you are missing task 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7, or it is marked as incomplete, but is spilled, especially if you are missing that task or one of those tasks, you have those 3 days, so Monday, June 8th, Tuesday, June 9th, and Wednesday, June 10th, to make it up. This bolded chunk right here is really, really important. The final deadline to turn in work for distance learning in social studies is Wednesday, June 10th at 3 p.m. After that, I am not taking any more work and it will be marked as missing in PowerSchool and Google Classroom. The last couple chunks of this email just let you know that Google Classroom is going to mirror this. Everything will post the same. But I just wanted to make this so that I knew you understood kind of what our next 2.5 weeks look like. If you have any questions or don't understand something, you can email me, you can call me or text me with a number that's at the bottom of my email, or do my optional online office hours on Monday and Wednesday if you're a kiddo.